In this video, we will learn how to use sum function in Excel sheet. So here I am showing you one unique trick of the sum function. So how it's used. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data. So I want to get here total of the cell of every table. So, so I'm using here this one shortcut key of sum function. Alt is equal to and just enter. 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 This is a way you can get the total by using the alt is equal to. This is a shortcut key for some function. Okay. If you have this types of data, you have so many table, small table, and you want to total of every table. Okay. So there is a one way you can calculate the sum amount of every table in one time. Okay, so let's start. First select the cell, then press the control and select the second cell, select the third cell and select the fourth cell. Okay, you can select the so many cell. So I have this four table, so I select this four cell. Okay, after that press the alt is equal to. That's it. Here you see all sum total we get one time only. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.